I'm Johnny, you're watching A View to a Grill, and today is the InkBird Smart Wireless Barbecue Thermometer IBT-4XS. And if you want to see other great videos on the barbecue topic, all you have to do is subscribe. I'm going to show you what's in the box and show you how to set it up on the iPhone. First thing out of the box are some warranty cards and a setup manual. The next thing you'll see is the main unit itself. You'll notice that the InkBird IBT-4XS comes with 4 thermometer ports. It also has a port for the charger, an actual on-off switch, which I really like, and the pairing button, which is on the front display panel. It comes with 1 recharging cord, which is USB. In the box, you'll also find 3 meat probe thermometers and 1 ambient probe thermometer. Next, you'll find 2 great clips for your thermometer probes. And that's all there is to it. Now you know what's in the box. Now we'll set this up by plugging in the main unit to my charging block. Now I use the Anchor charging blocks, and they really do come in handy around the barbecue pit to keep all of your devices charged. I'll go ahead and put that link below if you're interested in getting one for yourself. We'll just plug in the charging cable to the block and to the main unit and let it charge until I can turn it on. Once it's charged, I'll go ahead and plug in the ambient temperature probe and just 1 meat temperature probe. You can tell the difference because the ambient temperature probe is rounded and the meat temperature probe is pointed. I guess you could figure that out yourselves, right? On your smartphone, you can go to your app store and search Barbecue Go. Once you find that, just download the app. Once the app is finished, if it didn't launch by itself, you can go ahead and launch it manually. And then I went ahead and clicked allow for notifications and everything that it wanted access to. Then all you have to do is press start, and then it's going to try to find the InkBird main unit. Once it finds it, go ahead and press the pairing button right on the front display panel. On your smartphone screen, you'll then see that it's actually telling you the temperature from the 2 probes that you plugged in. Now just check out the menu. You see that it has a list of meats you can cook, and you're ready to get started. In a future video, I will be cooking with this thermometer and let you know how it performs. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Take care, y'all.